Again with chapter 7 on CAPM, full screen. This time we look at question number 36 on CAPM. There's two different investments that are given in a market index. So we'll just look at one. This is stock X. Where can we put this? So we're shown for question number 36, the risk-free rate at the time is 5%. Stock X has a forecast return of 14% with standard deviation of 36%. Stock X also has a beta of 0.08. So questions are calculate the expected return in alpha and ask should it go into the portfolio. Okay, so expected return for X is going to be our risk-free rate times beta times the market risk premium, the expected market return minus the risk-free rate. And our market index is also 14%. So the expected return 0.05 times plus beta of 0.08 times 0.14 minus 0.05. So extending this, 0.14 minus 0.05, 0.09, 0.08 times 0.09. Sorry, I said that wrong. 0.8 times 0.09 is 0.72 added to 0.05. So our, do we see all of that? Expected return on stock X is 0.122 or 12.2%. So what I was doing, if you didn't see 0.14 minus 0.05, this gives us 0.09 times beta, 0.8 gives us 7.0072 plus 0.05, the risk-free rate, 12.220. So our expected return on, according to CAPM, for X is 12.220. And then the next pieces. If the expected return for stock X is 14% and CAPM calculates only 12.2%, so 0.14 minus 0.1220, 0.14 minus 0.1220 gives us a 1.83% alpha on stock X. And then next we would like to know the Sharpe ratio for stock X, and that's always the expected return divided by standard deviation. So expected return of 0.14 divided by 0.36 gives us 0.3889 Sharpe ratio. And that we would then compare to the other stocks to see what they have for Sharpe ratio. Ah, my mistake. I'll redo that. The Sharpe ratio is excess return divided by standard deviation. So we'll do this more correctly. 0.14 minus 0.05 divided by 0.36. Things happen. 0.09 divided by 0.36 is 0.25. So Sharpe's ratio for X is really 0.25. And we would compare that then with the other investments to see whether we should add it to the portfolio or not. So there we have how we use CAPM to look at assets. In this case, we see this asset is undervalued. It has a positive alpha of 1.8% and a Sharpe ratio of 0.25. That is sufficient for question number 36.